Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to fix Lively Wallpaper not working. Whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, this guide will help you get your dynamic wallpapers back up and running in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the Windows search bar and type sysdm.cpl, then hit Enter to open the System Properties window. From the top menu, click on Advanced, then under the Performance section, click on Settings. The Performance Options window will open. Here, look for the option Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows. If this option is unchecked, make sure to check it. If it's already checked, uncheck it first, then check it again. Click Apply, then OK, and close the window. Now, check if your Lively Wallpaper is working. Step 2, if the issue persists, click on the Windows search bar again and type Lively. When you see Lively Wallpaper, right-click on it and select App Settings. At the top, under Background App Permissions, make sure the option is set to either Always or Power Optimized. If it's set to Never, change it, as the app won't work otherwise. Scroll down and find the Terminate option. Before clicking on it, completely close Lively Wallpaper, including from the System tray. Right-click the icon and select Exit. Once it's closed, go back to the settings and click Terminate. Next, under the Reset section, click Repair, then click Reset. Once it's done, reopen Lively Wallpaper and try selecting a wallpaper again to see if it works. That's it. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.